The iPhone 13 Pro Max is a very solid phone with great battery life and camera, but it doesn't look very different from the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Design-wise, the iPhone 13 Pro Max looks almost identical to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's still very large and heavy, but it is protected by a ceramic shield, which is one of the strongest cover glasses on the market. The phone is rated IP68 for dust and water resistance. The biggest difference is that the notch is slightly smaller and the camera bump is a bit larger. The display is a 6.7-inch Super Retina OLED with a 120Hz refresh rate. It's very bright and offers a wide color gamut. The battery life is excellent. It got a 121-hour endurance rating on the reviewers' tests. The iPhone 13 Pro Max comes with Apple's latest A15 Bionic chipset, and it's very fast. The performance is unmatched by any Android phones. However, the reviewer noticed that the GPU throttled and would have liked to see better sustained performance. The phone comes with iOS 15 out of the box. The camera system has been improved across the board. The main sensor has larger pixels than before, and it takes very good photos. The telephoto lens now has 3 times optical zoom, and the ultra-wide sensor now has autofocus. The ultra-wide camera is also capable of macro shots. Overall photo quality is great, but it doesn't look very different from iPhone photos. Video quality is also excellent. The phone can record up to 4K at 60 FPS with all of its cameras. There's a new cinematic mode that simulates blur for backgrounds in videos. In conclusion, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is a great phone with a fantastic display, long battery life, excellent cameras, and unmatched performance. However, the design is not very innovative, and there are not many significant improvements over the iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you are upgrading from an iPhone older than iPhone 12 Pro, then the reviewer recommends this phone.